These are the 5 best FBA deals we found this month. So welcome back to the channel. Please do subscribe if you haven't done so. It does really help us out, and we post FBA videos every single Thursday. And as always, don't forget to let us know in the comments any other videos you would like us to make. Now today we're back with our very popular series where we run you through some deals we find in the previous month which we thought were quite good. Now, just as a quick reminder, we don't really recommend to buy these deals. These are all products we send into our deal of the day feature. This is where we send in 1 to 2 deals Monday to Friday to all of our customers for free, just to give them inspiration on where to look, what they should be looking for, and so on. And the reason we say don't buy these deals is because we have almost 5,000 people in our Discord, so they do get seen by quite a lot of people. So as you can imagine, if you are buying, the competition can be increased. But this is just many of the hundreds and hundreds of deals we find every week, and there are thousands of deals out there. So let's get into the deals. So the first product we have is from the website Forbidden Planet, and it's a Funko Pop toy figure. Forbidden Planet is a great website for finding Funko Pops. They have such a wide variety of products. Now, the only downside with this website is they do limit you to only being able to buy 3 products. However, there are a few bypasses to get around this. But this one we can buy for £4.99, and it sells on Amazon for £13.49 at the moment. So let's have a quick look at this on the Profitl Chrome extension. This one's selling between 15 to 29 units a month, and it's got a really healthy return on investment, so 69%, giving us an estimated profit per unit of £3.61. Now, interestingly, on this one, Amazon were selling on it, but they did share the buy box, so we can see that another seller has the buy box at the moment. If we have a look at the price graph as well, we can just back up this data. So we'll turn off everything but buy box and Amazon, and you'll be able to see what this actually means. So Amazon are really hard to compete against, and on most products you don't really want to be competing against them. However, there are some products you can compete, and what we're looking for is that they share the buy box. The way we can see this is that Amazon is this orange line just here. Now what we can see, there's another seller with the buy box underneath this, which means Amazon do share the buy box on the listing. Now, some people may still avoid this because, of course, even if Amazon do share the buy box, it is still really hard, but it is all down to personal preference. So on to deal number 2 now, and it's from the website Notino. And if you've seen our videos before, well, you'd know that Notino is probably one of our favorite websites for FBA deals. They have a great variety of beauty products, often running discounts as well. This product we found, there isn't actually a discount on it, but it's this facial spray with aloe, herbs and rose water, which we can buy for £4.40. Now if we head over to Amazon, this exact same product sells for £10, and that's always the thing we're looking for. When it's a lower price, we want it to be over double what it's selling for. That should allow us to cover all of our fees and make a nice profit. So let's load this up on the Profitl Chrome extension. So we can see this one has decent sales, 31 to 59 units a month, a 47% return on investment. This would give us a £2.15 profit per unit. Quite a nice stable price over the last year. It hasn't dropped below £9.74, so it should means our risk of getting undercut is minimal. And we've got about 7 FBA sellers on this listing, but they don't have too much stock, so it doesn't look like a bad product overall. Now before we did get into the next deal, we did just want to let you know about an exclusive YouTube discount code which can save you some money on your Profitl subscription. We'll make it pop up just here. It will save you either 20% on any of our monthly plans, that's forever, or 5% on any of our yearly plans, and the yearly plans already are discounted at 50% off. So if you were looking to start your FBA journey, make sure to take them codes down and save yourself some money on your Profitl subscription. We have another beauty product for you. This was actually one we found in the sale. So it's this Mirror Brow Kit, which was £4. We can buy it for £2. It's got 50% off. Now, if we head over to Amazon, we can see it's currently selling for £5.55. So you can see this one sells 6 to 29 units a month. So not a massive seller, but it's making a really healthy return on investment. So over 90%, which gives us a profit of £2.04 per unit. Now our aim on most FBA deals is about 30%, so to be getting triple that is just absolutely amazing, and it gives us a lot of wiggle room on if the price is going to come down. As a common theme on selling on Amazon, you're going to send products in, and by the time they're in the warehouse they can drop quite a lot. So if you've got a lot of room for movement, that means you can still sell it and still be profitable. Now if you don't have too much room for movement, it's not the end of the world. It usually just means you need to wait it out, so wait for for all your other competition. You don't really want to be getting into pricing wars, it just isn't worth it. So now on to deal number 4, and this one is from the website Lloyd's Pharmacy. So this is this humble rose and frankincense bath salts. We can buy these for £3.50, another discounted one, so it's usually £10. So we're saving £6.50. Now let's head over to Amazon. We can see this one sells for £11.95, so a really nice difference. Buying for £3.50, selling for £11.95. So let's have a quick look through the data on Profitl. A slower seller, only 6 to 29 units a month, but there was only 4 other FBA sellers on this listing, so not too much competition, and it had a really healthy profit again, so 97% return on investment. That will give us £3.60 profit per unit. So this one looked like it had great potential for Amazon FBA. So now on to our 5th and final deal, and probably the best one out of all of them. It is from Sainsbury's, Taylors of Harrogate decaf coffee bags. We can buy these for £2. These were in the sale, but if we head over to Amazon, we can see that this box is selling for £7.44. Very healthy sales, 61 to 179 units per month, 98% return on investment, giving us a profit per unit of £2.16. Really stable price as well, and only 5 other FBA sellers on this listing. So that is 5 of the best deals we found this month, and we only briefly analysed them. Of course, if you were actually buying them, you'd look into these products in a lot more detail. But the idea of this video is just to show you what is out there, just to give you some inspiration, and we hope that does really show the variety of products you can make profit on Amazon. It really doesn't matter whether it's toys, whether it's beauty, whether it's food. There is opportunity absolutely everywhere. So let us know in the comment which one you thought was the best. You'll find all of our important links in the description. But thank you so much for watching today's video, and we will see you in the next one.